It's giving boldness.
Alright guys, this is my braiding pattern. It is just individual braids going straight back. I wanted something quick and simple. And I have at least 39 braids. One other thing, you don't have to finish the ends of these braids, but be sure that the roots are not too tight. This on my hair, I have my tooth comb, my shiny gem, and my edge control. As you can see, I have my spring twist afro hair and my spring twist pre-locked. Alright, now we are using our spring twist lock to push it into the braid. While we're doing that, we want to make sure that it's secure, so that way when we insert the second hair, we'll be able to wrap it. Alright, so with this other hair, this is gonna be the hair we used to wrap, and we're gonna insert it exactly how we did the first one, but we want to make sure that this second hair is at the edge of the braid. So when we insert it, like the first one, we're gonna adjust it, and I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm talking about. So now that we have the second hair exactly where we want it and it's adjusted to the edge of the braid, we're about to start wrapping the hair now. And I'm about to show you how I wrap the hair and how I got that distressed look that I was going for. Alright, while we're wrapping our hair, we're going to take care of the root of the hair first. So we're going to use that afro hair to wrap the roots of the hair gently, not too tight because we don't want breakage. So we're going to wrap it gently and work our way up to the ends of the hair. And we want to also make sure that our natural hair is not showing through the hair that we're using to wrap it. So there's a lot going on here. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. Alright, so guys, now that we're at the end while wrapping, I'm gonna use the hair that was at the edge whenever we crocheted it into the braid to finish the ends. And I'm gonna finish it, but I'm not gonna finish it all the way. I'm just gonna leave it halfway. You guys can complete the ends if you like, but for me, I wanted that colored differential at the end, so that's why I'm gonna leave it how it is in the video. But you guys can do whatever you want. You know, just spice it up. That's pretty much it. I'm not gonna do too much talking in this video anymore. I'm just pretty much gonna let you guys watch what I'm doing with the other two hair. And yeah, it's really not that hard, guys. You just gotta keep practicing and keep at it. Eventually you'll get it. And if you made it this far, guys, thank you so much. I really appreciate your support. Please be sure you like and comment. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.
finished look. I love it so much. Oh my gosh, like this little design is what's really moving me right now. It's so cute. It has that distressed look. Color is actually going pretty well with my complexion. So it's good to try new things. It's giving boldness.